So over here, you can see that I have some data now. And if I want to delete a particular data in a row, then I can easily do that by using SQL Query as well. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here and I'm going to click on create, and then I'm going to click on query design right here. Once I do that, I'm going to click on SQL, and then SQL writing area pops up. So over here, I'm going to type in delete right here. That is going to be the SQL query. And over here in prices, I want to delete out the data for which the ID is 6. So I want to delete out this very row right here. So I'm just going to go around and say delete from. So I'm just going to say delete from, and I'm going to write in the table name right here. So I'm just going to type in prices. And once I do that, I'm going to type in enter and where, just like this. And then I'm going to type in ID is equal to, so this is what I want, ID 6. So I'm just going to type in 6 right here. In case if it is a string characters like this, then you have to enter inverted comma over here as well. But this is just a number, so just typing out the number directly will be okay. So I'm just going to go around, add in a semicolon right here, and I'm going to go to query design and hit run. And what happens is that it will delete out the row now. So if I were to go to prices, you can see that that particular row has been deleted right here. And that is how you can delete out a row inside of inside of MS Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.